Well, wait, here, take.
Yeah. Which one? You want me to take it off?
Yeah, see, I don't want these to touch.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I think you go neutral first.
Yeah. All right. Okay. You good? Yeah. All right. Let it warm up a little bit.
Warm.
Yeah. You did connect both of them, right? Both of them? Okay.
Red to red.
Yeah. Red to red, black to black.
That's neat.
Yeah, it's fine.
So this is her car.
Yeah. She drives that
nice.
one.
My air conditioner's not working.
Which one?
In my
The Honda?
yeah.
How come? You take care of your car like your wife.
All of a sudden start blowing hot air.
Oh man. You got to talk to the I guess.
I called the guy I always go to.
Uh-huh.
I said, I looked online, relay, fuses, all that kind of stuff. They all look good. He said, I said, I want to get it checked.
Okay.
He said, well, he said it'll be 150.
What?
150? You didn't even look.
To check it?
He said we gotta drain the system, refill it.
Okay.
Was she there?
No, Kathy's outside.
Oh my God, what is she coming over for?
Let her come and check what we're doing.
No, every time as soon as I go out of the house.
Yeah.
What?
Any problem there?
Huh? Who?
Later on you can call.
What happened?
One of the people from that doctor's office.
Dr. Doe?
I think it was her.
Okay.
There's
I
too
told
many
you
of
she's
them.
going to call.
Huh?
She's going to call.
Anyway, later on today, you can call.
I'll check to see if
All right?
that's her number.
I got too many doctors.
It's okay. We
But
will.
you help.
Even I got 5 doctors.
Oh, fine, I got
You know.
Do you think she really looks underweight?
A little bit, but I guess she's like
She was always pretty slim.
Yeah.
I was always
is
when I was
slim,
young,
right?
I had buck teeth,
Uh-huh.
frizzy hair, and I was skinny and tall. But, people that don't know me think that I'm sick, but I'm not.
No, you're fit. You are fit. I know.
Anyway, so later.
You think it was them?
I don't know. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
He does.
He takes care
of
of
all
you.
those people. And
No, that's he's a man. I know.
all right.
He's the man. All right, Kathy.
Have fun.
Which mirror?
Oh.
Anything?
Fly in there. Have fun.
You
Yeah.
see, she's jealous now. You can join us, Kathy.
Huh?
You can join us. You can come over.
I can what?
You can come over and you can have fun with us too.
Oh, well, we got our little granddaughter.
Maria?
Yeah, Mira.
Mira, yeah.
Yeah, she's right in that room there reading a book.
Okay.
So I
You want to
got-
drink anything? You want me to bring any, like,
Oh no, are you kidding? She's got everything.
okay, all right.
I still even have toys from my
I'm
kids.
gonna rev it. It's
What?
good to rev it a little.
Okay,
All
all
right, I
right.
got to go in with her.
All right, okay,
Yeah,
all
take
right.
care.
You too.
See, it's good to rev it.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
You know what? You got. If you can get in there, why don't you try it? Give it a.
Yeah, let me give it a shot. Let me see. All right. Let me try mine. Let me see if it starts. It's too close to get in. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it is too close to get in, man. Hold on. Let me go other side. Let me try to get in from there. Yes.
Yeah.
Right? I have to wait a little bit more.
Yeah, a little
I'm gonna bring down your cable down there, okay?
You want to just let it sit here and
Yeah, a little bit. Let me see what happened.
keep running?
Yeah, because I can't start it. You know what I mean? I told her to take care of my car, like, start it once
See, you
in a
got
while.
to start it once in a while.
Yeah, but she didn't touch anything.
Did you give it a little, give it gas and all?
Yeah, I did. Well,
You got the key in it?
yeah, you wanna try with my
Let
key?
me see. I should have started by now.
You have to. It's like you have to push start. You have to press the brake and then you have to press the start button.
Oh, you got to be
It's
on
down there. Yeah,
Where's the start button? Here?
yeah, that one. But you have to press the brake first. It's right underneath.
I don't know if I
Now
can-
you have to, put your leg. That's gonna be a little hard for you, man.
I got these big boots.
Yeah. Hold on. You got the working board, right?
Yeah, they're. Can you
It's
push it
okay.
up a little?
Yeah. You have to press the start button at the same time.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Let me try.
Oh, that's really dead.
Yeah.
That's really dead.
Yeah, I know. I just got the battery last year. Last December,
Is
yeah.
that a new battery?
Yeah, last December I got the battery.
They say if it won't take a jump,
What they say?
if it won't take a jump.
Yeah.
If you just got it last year,
Yeah.
well, know what? Go ahead in again
Uh-huh.
and wait till I'm revving it
Okay.
and then do it.
Okay.
All right.
I guess I have to press the gas at the same time,
Yeah, give it a little gas,
Yeah.
and I'll give this one gas.
You know what, D? I guess I have to like I have to take this car a little further so that I can get in the car.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Let me.
Yeah, I'll hold the thing up.
Yeah.
Just a little, not much.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Here.
আর এইভাবেই আমার নেইবার মিস্টার ডিনো কোলা
Even if you slam
আমাকে
it.
হেল্প করে বিভিন্ন কাজে।
Even
এই
if
হচ্ছে আমি গতকালকে আসার পরে আজকে গাড়ি স্টার্ট দিতে নিলাম আমার এই গাড়িটা, কিন্তু এই গাড়িটা কোনো কারণে স্টার্ট হচ্ছে না। সো ডিনো কোলা বলল যে এটা ব্যাটারি ডাউন হয়ে গেছে। তো এখন এখান থেকে আমরা জাম্প দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করতেছি, দেখি কি হচ্ছে, দেখা যাক কি দাঁড়ায় আর কি। ওকে, এভাবেই মিস্টার ডিনো কোলা হেল্পস মি অল দ্য টাইম।
You got this much.